In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add Snapchat profile link to your YouTube channel. This deepens your connection with viewers by offering them a different way to engage with your content. On the Snapchat, tap onto your profile icon and select on this share icon. Tap on copy link to get copied to clipboard. Once done, simply head to your YouTube studio. It's the easiest and fastest way to add external links to your YouTube channel. Onto your dashboard, tap right here on your profile icon. Click onto this edit icon. Down below, you will see the option of links. Head to it and tap on add. Enter your link name. Now here I'll just have to put Snapchat. Then paste in the Snapchat link and tap on done. Don't forget to tap on save. Your Snapchat profile link will successfully get added to your YouTube channel. Well, that's how easy it is to add your Snapchat profile link to your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.